Debt-free company with strong order book and good clientele. Aimtron Electronics Ltd, an electronic system design and manufacturer. Company has over 10 years of experience in designing and manufacturing PCBA and box build. About 69% of the revenue is generated from PCBA, 27% from box build, and 4% from providing end-to-end solutions. Company serves diverse industry segments for various applications. About 35% of the revenue is generated from industrial segment and 20% from IoT and robotics. The company was incorporated in 2011 and got public in 2024. They are based in Vadodara with more than 130 employees. Company has two manufacturing plants in Vadodara and Bengaluru. The market cap of the company is 1,153 crore rupees and currently trading at 565 rupees per share. The company has 82% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 154% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has partnered with prominent players as their design partners and recently started operations in USA through their fully owned subsidiary for strengthening global presence with a focus on expanding into European and Australian markets and expects growth rate of 40 to 50% for next 3 to 5 years. The company is showcasing strong and stable financial records and clocking good profits year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding since the IPO. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holdings are dropping, indicating that domestic investors are buying from the public. Company has served more than 500 clients, with revenue concentration of 58% from domestic and 42% from exports, where North America contributes about 26% of the revenue, 12% from USA, and 4% from Spain. Company has secured many orders and has a strong order book of more than 189 crores as of March 2025. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.